Welcome back to the Tracey Show. Today I'm sharing with you how I made this cute bucket hat. So stay tuned. I'm using the Brooks pattern I found on the Etsy website. I'll have it linked below. This was a quick, easy, and simple pattern to use. There's only about 3 pieces, including your lining, and it was a quick, easy cutout. I went ahead and interfaced my crown and the brim portion of the hat, making sure that it was nice and neat, and I just used an iron-on interfacing. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold my pieces in half, and I'm going to make a straight seam going down where those pin areas are for my brim and my crown portion. With my sewn crown portion, I'm going to go ahead and attach that to the top portion of the hat with a straight seam going around in a circular motion. I'm going to go ahead and also trim any excess from the seam area. Now I am going to attach the brim to the crown portion, matching the seams. Now I'm going to make a straight stitch all the way around the brim portion, which attaches to the crown portion. Now I am going to attach the lining to the top portion of the hat. I'm using the same fabric for the lining as for my outer portion. I'm going to follow the same steps I made before, but leave a nice little opening available for me to flip the hat inside out when I am complete. Now you should have a twin-like situation here, one with a inseam opening and your outer portion. You're going to pin your brims together, matching all of your seams and facings. Now I am ready to attach my brims, and I'm going to just pin those on, making a seam all around the brim area, making sure I can have my well-defined hole so I can flip it over when I am done. My brims are attached from the lining and the outer portion, and now I am ready to flip it over to see how it's looking. Finally, I'm going to do some top stitching on my lining portion on the inside. I'm going to iron it down and make sure that it looks nice and neat for my final look. This is my bucket hat look. I also made this jacket to go with it. I didn't do like a video about that, but guess what? I will be making some more because I love it. This is Simplicity. I think it's 9388. And and it will be heavily rotated on my sewing machine this season along with the bucket hat. So make sure you stay tuned and you can see some more of my bucket hat shack and mix. Love it. I love the way it came out. Cute, easy, real simple. As I continue to make it, actually perfect it, hopefully even more, and I love it. So thank you so much for watching the Tracey Show. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.